Good morning, student. Student, today you will learn the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Let us suppose there is a triangle ABC, angle B is right angle 90 degree. Then by the Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is given? Given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Angled triangle. And angle B equal to 90 degree. And to prove square of the hypotenuse means AC square equal to sum of the square of other two sides means AB square plus BC square. Now there is a need of construction. So we have to draw the perpendicular from B to the hypotenuse AC at the point L. So BL, draw the perpendicular BL to AC. Now let's come on the proof. First of all, we will consider the triangle ABL and triangle ABC. Here, angle ALB equal to angle ABC. Both are 90 degree. And AB equal to AB. AB is common. There angle A is common. Angle A equal to angle A. Or angle we can write BAL equal to angle BAC. So by double A similarity, by AA similarity, triangle ABL similar to triangle ABC. ABL. So here AL. No, it is AC B. Because L is 90, B is 90. A is common, so angle B equal to angle C. Or you can understand like that, let this angle is theta. Then it is 90, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Now, if it is theta, whole is 90, so angle this is also 90 minus theta. So here this angle ABL equal to angle ACB. Both are 90 minus theta. Then we compare the corresponding sides. Since angles are similar, therefore sides are proportional. Since triangles are similar, so sides are proportional. Now, let us compare the corresponding sides. So, we will take the side opposite to the angle 90. So, it is AB, and in triangle ABC, it is AC. Now, we take the side opposite to the angle 90 minus theta. So, it is AL, and here the side AB. We can take one more side, but that is not required here. So from this we will cross multiply that or we will get AB square equal to AC into AL. Student, let it is equation 1. Student, now we will compare the triangle BLC to the triangle ABC. Here angle BLC equal to angle ABC, both are 90, and angle LCB equal to, let's see, this angle is 90 minus theta, this is theta. So angle LCB equal to angle 90 minus theta. B, it is common, okay, equal to ACB. Both are common angle. That is common, and both are 90 minus theta. So by double A similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle, let's see, here A, so C angle is common, so angle C, and B is replaced, A is replaced by angle B, and there is L. So ABC equal to triangle BLC are similar. So since triangles are similar, so sides are proportional. So let us take the side B, side opposite to the angle 90 is BC, and in here it is AC, is equal to, now we will take the side opposite to the angle theta, it is LC, and here opposite to the angle A, it is BC. Now cross multiply, we will get BC square equal to AC into LC. It is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Student, we will get AB square plus BC square to the left hand side. And in the right hand side, student, you can observe that here AC is common. So AC common, we will get AL plus LC. It becomes AC. It becomes AC. So AC into AC becomes AC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. The proof of the theorem. Student, now next is proof of basic proportionality theorem. Proof of BPT or Thales theorem. In this theorem, let us suppose there is a triangle ABC. We have to draw a line parallel to the third side BC. Let it is D and it is E. Then what is given? Given that ABC is a triangle and DE parallel to BC. Then what is to prove? To prove is AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Then there is a construction. Now there is a construction. We have to draw the perpendicular from D to the side AC. Similarly, another perpendicular from E to the opposite side. Let this is L, this perpendicular is N. These are angle 90 degree. Then we will join DE, DC and BE. Now let us find the area. Construction. Draw perpendicular DL on AC and EM on AB. Now the proof. Now the area of triangle BED. Area of triangle BED equal to half of base into height. Here base is BD and height is this perpendicular EM. Let equation 1. Then area of triangle DCE equal to half of CE into DL. It is equation 2. Student, now area of triangle ADE is half of AD into EM. Question 1. Then again area of triangle ADE, it is half of AE into DL. Equation 2. Now we will divide. These two areas are equal. Says area of triangle BED equal to area of triangle DCE. These two areas lies on triangle B, since triangle BED and triangle DCE lie on same base DE. Same base DE and same parallel lines. Therefore, that's why these two areas are equal. Student, now divide 3 by 1. So we will get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DBE equal to half of AD into EM upon half of BD into EM. Here EM cancel, half cancel. So it is AD upon BD. Let equation 5. Similarly, divide 4 by 2. So we get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DCE is same as it is AE upon EC. This is question 6. From 5th and 6th we will get AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. This is the proof. Okay, hence proved.